Sir, hanggang 12 na po itong math 2.
This one is the bracket. Ito, kaya natin yung gawin ng bracket. This one, hindi natin kaya mag-go. Standard lang. Yung bracket, kaya natin yan.
Hanggang ano lang to? Hanggang 11:30.
This one. Then, yung 6 balance, hindi natin ito kaya.
Hanggang 11:30 lang po ang ano natin.
Kaya natin ito. We're doing that on. There's always thing when we have nothing. And then, hindi ko natin gagawin. Shoulders down. Okay. Delikado to. Hindi natin this one extra. Hindi natin yan. Yeah. At dapat may guide. Oh, I will show you the thing for to do individual stand.
Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, but are you lagging?
Can you hear
Or
me?
maybe having internet problems?
Lagging? Naglalag na? Naglalag? Naglalag.
Yes, yes, yes.
How about now? Naglalag siya. Okay, I will use the other, I will use the other one. So yesterday I told you about the multiplication of ako lang I'm only one allowed to use the whiteboard, okay? I am the only one who allowed to use it. Okay. So yesterday I told you about the multiplication of rational expression. Multiply rational expression class is you're going to multiply numerator and denominator. For example, we have 2x and 2x over 3x times 4x over 7x. Multiply the numerator and denominator. 2x times 4x, Stephen. 2x times 4x is?
That means 6. That means 8. 8x2. 8x2.
8x2. How about the denominator? 3x times 7x is?
That means 21x2, I guess.
Okay, 21x2. Okay, so ganito lang po. Multiply the numerator and then denominator. So for now, we're going to divide the rational expression. For example, we have 2x over 3x. Again, divide. I am the only one allowed to use the whiteboard. 5x over 3 ano na lang. Uh, 2x. Okay, ayan. So, as you can see, it is complicated, diba? The first step is you're going to flip this one. Flip. When we say flip, get the inverse. Okay, then it will become 2x over 3x. Are you listening? Are you listening, everyone? 2x over 5x. As you can see, we flip it. Okay, guys? And this division, it will become multiplication. Okay, what happened if we flip the other rational expression? The sign will become multiplication. Okay po? After that, just the process of multiplication of rational number, 2x times 2x mj, 2x times 2x mj.
4x squared.
4x squared. How about 3x times 5x? MJ.
15x squared.
15x squared. Oh, this is the answer. The first step in division is flip the other side or the right side of the rational expression. Okay, let's try. Let's have 7y over 8y divide 3y over 2y. Okay, what is our first step again? Beans, what is our first step, Beans? Anong gagawin natin? Anong first step?
Ipo-combine natin.
Ipi-flip natin yung right side na rational expression, which is this. Flip, balik na rin. Reciprocal, okay po? What are we going to do, FJ? FJ? Where is FJ? Okay, Gab. FJ. What is the first step? Flip the right side of the rational expression. Right side. Ito ang right side na to. And then, after you flip it, it will become 7y over 8y. And then it will become times 2x over 3y at 2y over 3y. What is the answer? FJ, 7y times 2y, FJ. FJ, 7y times 2y.
What po?
7y times 2y.
7y. Yes. 14y squared.
14y squared. How about 8y times 3y? 8y times 3y. 8y times 3y. What is the answer? What is the answer? 8 times 3, FJ. 8 times
Sure, you're lagging.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Frances, can you hear me, Frances?
Yes, yes, we still hear you.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
Copy pa. Okay, naririnig to, naririnig. Okay, let's continue. 8y times 3y, Stephen. 8y times 3y. 8y times 3y, Stephen. Where's Stephen? Naririnig. Di pa rin? Frances? Di pa rin? Hindi pa rin naririnig. Naririnig na. Uy, grade 7. Mahina ang internet. Naririnig naman na. Okay, so ang dapat lang pong tandaan natin sa pag-divide ng rational expression is, yung una is, you're going to flip the right rational expression. Okay po? I-flip lang and then it will become multiplication. So, ganun lang. And then we're going to practice that on Monday. Okay po, that's all for today. Bye! Bye!